All right, so welcome back to Wicked F-150. We just changed out the headlights on this Wrangler here. Of course, these are the headlights that usually come with it. Halogen bulb. Now, it's the same one we changed to the LED bulb, which were white and great and all of that. We'll insert a clip of those headlights, but we changed them out to these. So these are Zmoon, I guess is how you'd say it, Z-M-O-O-N. As you can see, black housing. They have the planks around, white driving, amber turn signals, and then the both on for a low beam. Now these here are also on, and then just the top one for a high beam. As you can hopefully see, they are DOT approved at the top. They claim to be plug and play. They are not. They are not plug and play by any means of the definition. So, of course, they are already in, but I can still show you how they're put in. Actually, let me go to the driver's side here. So, there is a plug that comes off of these that plugs directly into your factory wiring. So, the high beams and low beams are direct plug and play. The planks are not, which I find is a thing with aftermarket companies saying that it's plug and play, and then you have to do some kind of wiring for the planks to work. So it's kind of a false advertisement, in my opinion, but that's what these splices here are for, is for the planks. They include, if you can see the green wire there and the red wire right there. The green wire is for the turn signals, and the red wire is for the driving lights. So you have the white planks. You can run them both into your turn signal wiring here. So the turn signal bulb goes in like this. So the outside wire here is for the driving lights, and the middle wires for the turn signal. Nope, got them backwards. The middle light is the driving light, and outside is the turn signal. Same on the passenger. Outside wire turn, middle driving light. And you have to splice them up to those. But now that's not a huge deal. My complaint is the amount of wire that they give you. I'm telling you, it's maybe 1.5 inches of wire that you have to be able to route to this. So it's kind of a pain in the ass to be able to get in there and get this spliced with so little extra wire coming from the bulb, or the housing itself. But other than that, they are spliced. Of course, you have to do both the splicing on each side. So let's take a look and see how they look. All right, so now that we have both in and the grill back on and the Jeep emblem plasti dip, you can see what it looks like. Of course, it is dark, so it is very glary. You can't even see the planks at the moment on the camera. So let me get in. Now you see the planks. They are super, super bright. If you can see, all 4 little bulbs are lit up. And then when you turn the high beams on, this one goes away. The other 3 stay on. And the turn signal, because they then turn amber. And there you go. So you still have your headlight, just the planks turn amber. Of course, the link will be in the description below. They're not that expensive, and I told you in the beginning of the video, the only issue was they say plug and play, but they're not. You have to splice in the plank to your turn signal wires, but that is the only issue with these. They bolt up exactly like factory. You just take the chrome connector piece off factory, put it right back on, screw them in, and everything's perfect. I hope you all enjoy the video. Again, link for them is in the description. Hit like, subscribe. See ya.